Okay, good morning guys, good morning mga pre. Pasensya na, late tayo nakapag-live kasi sobrang pagod ako talaga kagabi sa trabaho. Pero ngayon, magla-live tayo hanggang alas 3 ang madaling araw. Kami nakita ko, Sir Creepy Camp. Multo sa CR.
Hulto edition, sumigaw buong bahay, full transmission. Kung kinilabutan ka, click subscription. Rewind, paasa, apparition.
By one of our viewers, Natalie. This video was sent to us by one of our viewers, Natalie. According to her, she originally found it on TikTok, although she can no longer remember the uploader's username. She said that the footage was recorded by a
Aba, umi-English na si Sir Crips
ghost hunter who decided to investigate an abandoned house where a mysterious woman was reportedly seen appearing on numerous occasions. And while exploring the house, this is what he managed to capture.
Hoy! Ano yun?
In this short clip, the ghost hunter can be seen searching through the abandoned house. And as he steps into the bathroom, he suddenly notices what appears to be the figure of a woman standing behind him in the bathroom mirror. But the moment
Creepy!
he turns around to look, she is gone. There is no one there.
Parang madre, no?
According to our viewer, the original uploader believes the ghost hunter may have captured a real apparition of a ghost through the mirror's reflection. And they also believe that it could be the very same woman who has long been rumored to haunt this abandoned house. But what do you think? Was it simply a trick of the light, or did the camera capture something that wasn't meant to be seen? This video was sent to us by one of our viewers, who chose to remain anonymous. According to our sender, the footage originally came from a Japanese TikTok user who shared a terrifying experience that happened while he was home alone. After hearing someone repeatedly knocking on his bathroom door, he decided to record the incident for his own safety.
Anong kamay yun? Wala tao?
In the video, the man manages to capture what appears to be a human hand, pounding on the bathroom door from the inside. But after gathering the courage to open the door, he discovers that the bathroom is completely empty, and there is no one there.
Ang creepy.
The original uploader, along with many who have watched the video, believes that what appeared behind the door may have been the presence of a ghost inside the bathroom. But as I always say, whether you choose to believe it or not is entirely up to you.
Anong abandoned yan?
A Japanese ghost hunter named Go, who owns the YouTube channel named Go's Solo Infiltration, visited an abandoned place in Japan, which is said to be haunted and full of apparitions. And he wanted to find out if the stories were true, that ghosts appearing here. And he went first to the famous public restroom, where a ghost girl is believed to be appearing at night.
この目の前にあるのがね、幼い女の子の
Parang may nakatayo dun, no?
幽霊が出るっていう噂のあるトイレです。実はね、僕この場所以前訪れたことがあって、ただね、一人で来るのは初めてです。なんとなく雰囲気は記憶にあるんですけど、このトイレはしっかり見てないので、ちょっと見ていきます。なんか匂いがすごいな。あれ？断水中トイレ使用禁止。ダメだ、これはちょっと汚れがすごいな。幽霊が出るっていうね、噂を聞いてるからっていうのもありますけど、だいぶやばそうな雰囲気のあるトイレですね。なんだあれ。あ、張り紙か。白いのがちらっと見えたからなんだろうと思ったら、でこっちが女子トイレか。僕が立ってるこの位置ぐらいに定点カメラを置いて、それを撮ってる間に3連トンネルを探索したいと思います。はい、こんな感じでね、駐車場のトイレに向かって定点カメラをセットしました。ここから僕はね、3連トンネルを探索しに行きます。一度ね、この吊り橋を渡って戻ります。この橋自体の雰囲気もね、なんかやばそうだなっていう感じはするんですけど、落ちるんじゃないかっていう物理的な恐怖の方が強いですよね。
Parang tumutunog na kadena. Ano yung kadena? Rinig na rinig, oh. Ang creepy.
なんか音するなって思うんですけど、僕が歩くとね、やっぱ足が揺れて、それのきしんでる音なんだろうな、これ。ちょっと待った。すんげえ揺れてんだけど、風？でも今日風全然ないんだよな。急にすげえ揺れ出したんだけど、これやばくないか？なんでこんな揺れてんのいきなり。僕がね、ちょっと動いたぐらいじゃそんなに揺れないんですけど、この音聞こえるかな？ちょっと映像じゃね、分かりづらいかもしれないんですけど、動いてないのに、すんごい揺れてるんですよ、足が。これやばいな。こういう暗いね、トンネルとかって結構コウモリいるイメージありますけど、唯一初めて見つけましたね、今日。
Parang may kumalabog.
なんか足音しなかったか今。音がね、響くようなトンネルだと、自分が歩いた足音がね、反響して足音聞こえたみたいに勘違いすることがよくあるんです。たどり着けないんだけど、どういうこと？特にトンネル内で止まって喋ってとかってやってなかったんで、なんでこんな時間かかるんだ？おかしいぞ。これ最初に通ったトンネルと一緒だよな。なんで抜けれないの？もうひたすら30分ぐらい歩き続けてるんですよ。違うトンネルに入ったなんてことないよね。2のトンネルを抜けたのがものすごく昔の記憶みたいになってて。何だこれ。
Parang may umiyak. May aso.
なんだ今の音。壁に何かがぶつかるような音がしましたね。しかもなんかすごい変な声みたいなの聞こえたし、高い子供の声みたいな感じじゃなかった？耳鳴りなくなったわ。大きな音聞いたからかわかんないけど、眠気もなくなったな。とりあえずこのトンネル抜け出せないとやばいからな。
While Go was inside the said public restroom, his camera recorded what sounded like a child's voice.
Kaya nga, yung creepy.
After this, he entered the tunnel, and he recorded strange sounds and voices, which he did not know where they were coming from. But what was even stranger is what was captured by the camera that he had left in the front of the public restroom.
Ayun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina. Yun yung nakikita ko. Ang creepy. Sabi ko na nga kanina meron dun eh. Ayun, nakatayo dun. Ay. Para may kamay.
From this video taken with the camera that he set up in front of the public restroom, a white strange anomaly can be seen, which appears to be a part of a person's body.
Parang ang kamay. Nani.
Ghost Hunter Go and his viewers believes that it is possible that this is the ghost of the girl who is said to often appear in this public restroom. But that's not all of what our Sanders noticed, because after Go's investigation, and while he was inside his car at the parking lot of the area, a face-like figure appeared on his car's window.
言ってるんですけど、全くもって雰囲気はね、濁ってなかった。
Hindi ko napansin yan.
です残念ながらね、浮桟橋に関しては壊れちゃってて、立ち入り禁止に、ね、なってしまっていたので行けなかった
もしもし、ano ni...
んですけど、吊り橋と三連トンネルには行くことができました。吊り橋に関してはちょっとや
Dati ba yo?
ばいなと思いましたね。僕が動いてないのに急に揺れ出したんで、やばいだろうって思う瞬間はありました。で、幼いね、女の子の幽霊の目撃情報があるトイレの方にはね、定点カメラを置いてみました。何か映ってるかどうかっていうのはね、家に帰ってから確認してみないとわからないので、またね、動画内にね、定点カメラの映像っていうものは加えて
According to our Sander, when Ghost Hunter Go's video began, there was nothing visible on his car's window.
Kaya nga, hindi naman kita eh.
But after he finished his investigation, what appears to be a face can now be seen. But did he capture a real ghost in this video?
Kamay oh, ang creepy oh. Hey.
What do you think?
Uy, si Al Francis Chua. Ba't andyan si Al Francis Chua? Long hair daw eh.
This video comes from a TikTok user named Maria Rodriguez, and the video was recorded
Kala ko Maria Mercedes. Maria Mercedes ang pangalan niya.
one night as she was about to enter a public restroom. But before she stepped inside, she noticed something unusual, something she managed to capture on camera. Here's the footage and watch it carefully.
Uy, nakasilip.
As Maria approached the restroom, she noticed what appeared to be a woman with long black hair, which is quietly peeking at her from inside one of the restroom stalls.
Creepy. Yun oh, ang creepy nung long hair oh, si Al Francis Chua.
While many viewers believe the figure could have been a ghost, others argue that it may have simply been another person trying to scare Maria. But could it really have been something paranormal? I'll leave that for you to decide.
Oh, multo naman sa opisina.
Just recently, a Facebook post by a man named Daryl Alburo went viral. In his post, he shared several videos showing what he believes were paranormal occurrences late one night in their office while he was completely alone and the building was already closed. Here are the videos he shared.
Ayun, sarado yun ang namin nagdodoorbell ng ano.
Ang lakas ang mura nitong gagong to. Pinagmumura na niya na may nagdo-doorbell daw, tangina.
Anong yan?
O sa iMac.
Sarado yun, no? Ano, sino kayo nagdodoorbell dyan na ano?
Creepy.
In the footage, you can clearly hear the office doorbell ringing, as if someone is pressing the button from outside. But Daryl also shared another video showing that the doorbell is actually located inside the roll-up door, making it impossible for anyone outside the office to press it. That means the only person who could have triggered the doorbell should have been someone inside the office. But remember that at this moment, he was completely alone.
Sino kaya nagdo-doorbell dyan? Ay. Oh! Nakita niyo yun? Gumalaw yung ano? Yung upuan?
Hindi talaga ako tumitigil ah. Kinalampag
Galit na si Kuya.
yung ano, kinalampag yung pinto. Kina.
Tumunog pa rin eh, oh.
Mabait ako ah, hindi ko kayo ginagalaw. Nang yan.
Walang yang creepy.
Nyo, uwi na nga ako.
At first, he tried to
Napauwi si Kuya.
ignore what was happening, but a few minutes later, he noticed that chairs inside the office was beginning to move on their own. And that was the moment he decided it was time to leave the office. According to the uploader, this night also happened to be their last day in this office, as they were preparing to move to a new location. He believes that whatever presence may have been there decided to make itself known, or perhaps even play one final prank on him before they left. But could it really have been the work of a ghost? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. A content creator named Herbie Omori, who owns the YouTube channel named Gala Aero TV, together with his team, traveled to Mount Makiling to try an overnight camping experience at the Botanical Garden. However, they later found out that overnight camping was not allowed in the area. They then asked the local residents for permission to camp overnight at another nearby location instead. After finding a suitable spot and night finally fell, that was when the strange events began.
Legit yun. Lahat kami nakarinig.
Sa Baguio yan.
Sabi po kung sakaling man na-insulto kayo sa pinag-usapan namin.
Ano yan? Nakakanin yun Tingin ka sa paligid ah. Salita kasi ulit eh. Gagawin namin.
Ayun talaga.
Kung saan...
Budget na yun eh.
Kasi yun naman sinabi ng rin pag may nagsalita pa ulit.
Kasi ano, yun na yung parang cue namin na pag may nagsalita ulit, narinig kami nagsalita, bababa na kami. Bali, ang gagawin doon na lang kami mag-chill sa tabi ng sasakyan. Magsiset up kami doon ng lamesa. Tapos, doon na sila magiinom. No choice na kami, hindi na kami makakauwi dahil yung gate dito, sinasarado. So yun, magpapack up lang kami saglit, tapos baba tayo.
Ay, may mga ulo. Hey.
Itong tao ba yun? Pre, iba na yun. Tara na. Tao ba yun? Gagawin.
After having dinner, the group started hearing what they claimed were voices coming from somewhere nearby. But according to them, there were no houses close to their campsite that could have been the source of the voices. And when they heard the voices again, they decided to leave the campsite and head down to the home of one of the locals who had given them permission to stay in the area. But while they were there, something even more unsettling happened.
Hindi kami sa akin, pero parang lakayin ko na dun. Parang ano?
Parang ano tayo? Parang...
May bahay ba dun tayo? Ha?
May bahay doon.
Wala.
Kaya hindi siya may taas tayo. Kaya hindi siya may taas tayo.
Oh, gumagalaw yung tubigan nila.
Kaya hindi siya may taas tayo.
Hindi kayo nag...
Hindi.
Hindi, meron talaga, pre.
Meron talaga.
Grabe.
May nagpaparamdam talaga dun, tay.
Sinundan kayo. Medya,
Wala po kami.
wala naman itong balak na masama.
Gago.
Sinundan kayo ah.
Sundan niyo tayo. Ang lakas ng
Sinundan
pre.
kayo ah.
Ito lang yung bahay ni tatay, yung ano niya.
Oo.
Oo.
Ramdaman ko eh.
Ito ka marulo. Itong tulo din.
Pasensya na ho. Pasensya.
Pensya na po.
As they were talking, the ground suddenly began to shake, and it was strong enough to make the nearby water container move. And even the local resident they were speaking with admitted that the incident gave him chills.
Sundan na tayo, di ba?
Hindi pa ba ano? Hindi pa ba na ganun? Ito?
Gago, hindi ako nakahawak.
Lahat tayo nakaramdam eh.
Hindi ako nakahawak. Alog yung lupa. Alog yung lupa.
Tsaka pati dito.
Hindi ako nakahawak dito.
Ang tigas-tigas
Ano yun, mama yun? Hindi pati lupa eh, no?
Parang sa atin na
Kaya nga, creepy.
parte.
Tayo, tingnan mo tayo. Kahit alogin ko. Wala ko.
Wala nga, wala. Iba, hindi nyo talaga kayong ugain to.
Diba? Sabi sa atin nga nakaramdam eh.
Ramdaman ko eh.
Based on the local resident's statement, he believes the group may have been followed by a kapre, a giant
Ay, kapre.
three-dwelling creature from Philippine folklore.
May posibilidad ba na multo, aswang, o ano yung elemento o yung na-encounter namin?
Ang na-encounter nyo, baka yung ito, baka yung ano to, yung kapre dito.
Ayun.
If you'd like to watch the full video and explore more of their adventures, you can visit and subscribe their YouTube channel, Galaero TV.
Okay, kakat ko na to guys kasi wala na tong ano rito. Lahat ng nagustuhan tong video natin, reaction video natin kay Sir Crips ng 6 Scary Ghosts. Huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Maraming salamat at marami pa tayong panonoorin mga guys. Diyan lang kayo, huwag kayong aalis.
Rolling cam. Check mic. Tara na. Madilim na kanto. Sumama ka. Biga nyo sa screen. Sabay sigaw. Kung mahina lobot mo, back out now. Hey! North, west, slow, pan-ilaw pula. Comment section bro. Huwag kang pumasok dyan. Ha! Sa likod may anino. Frame 1 to 2. Oh, zooming in. Nakita mo? Mamalon yung chat, puro loads naman. May kumala